Hey everybody, if you've watched the other video I had about live sports online, this is an update. This site, the previous one, Wiziwig, was taken down, disabled by Spain, which I guess is where they were hosted. So they've kind of reorganized and packed up and now are under this site here called getyourfixtures.com. So now you want to go to that site, which is this right here, getyourfixtures.com. And you have lots of navigation options here. You can select by country to see what streams are available. You can go to individual sports or other to find, obscure things. There's also a TV guide here. And this gives you a little bit of scheduling information so you can see in the future or certain dates what is planned to be available, and then once the streams are up, then you can stream them. So really how you do it is you navigate to what you want to watch, and then you'll see over here official streams. That's when the streams are open. So let's click on this one, Archery Indoor Championship. So it'll navigate to whatever site or source of the stream, and you just go there, wait for it to load, and you have to watch an ad sometimes. So here's an ad. And there you go. So then usually you can full screen it, and some even have kind of a built-in DVR capability, which is kind of cool. So that's it. Hope you enjoy. Check it out. Leave some comments for each other if you find out some cool stuff. Like and subscribe, and I hope this fixes the Wiziwig problem that everybody's having. Thanks. Bye.